Hey there, I'm Montana Burr from Autistic Coder, and in this tutorial you'll learn how to use SQL's group by clause and aggregate functions to summarize and analyze data in powerful ways. We'll start with the basics of what aggregate functions do, learn how to group data using group by, go over some common aggregate functions, and go through real examples that show how these tools can turn raw data into meaningful insights. Aggregate functions do things like count rows, calculate averages, find totals, and more. They give you a summary result from a group of values. The group by clause lets you apply aggregate functions to each group of values in a column. Here, we're counting users in each country. Count tells you how many rows there are. Sum adds up numeric values. AVG gives you the average. These are great for reporting and dashboards. Use max to find the highest or maximum value and min to find the lowest or minimum value within each group. These are helpful for identifying extremes, like your highest paid employee or most expensive product. Group by and aggregate functions are super useful when you want to see totals, averages, and patterns in your data. They're your go-to tools for summary reports and insights. Use halving to filter groups after aggregation. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together. Got questions about anything we covered in this tutorial? Drop them in the comments section below.